Hi, everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. Um, Today, I wanted to quickly talk about the new feature, or not the new feature, but the upgrade we have done to the plans feature within Power Apps. So, if you have never used plans, it basically uses the concept of vibe coding, where you can create applications using natural language. So we recently just made an update to this feature, and now you can use full-fledged vibe coding experience to create applications which are backed by dataverse. Again, this feature is in preview, so you do need to have access to early access environment in us in order to use this. So you can start using it by going to vibe.powerapps.com. And when you go to this link, it should open the new experience for you as long as you have early access environment in US region. The next thing you can do is simply describe the requirements for your new application using natural language. So let's say I want to create an app that will track RSVP for my upcoming Power Platform workshop. Please capture, or I would say I would like to capture all attendees details, including their company information uh, and any dietary restrictions. So I'll just show how we can create a very simple app. So that's the requirement I have. And then I simply can click here to get started. I can also um, use AI to enhance the requirements that I have. So you can see when I clicked here, it allows AI to take what you have entered and then also create a more uh, optimal prompt that will be used in order to create this application. So once you do that, I can simply click on this submit your project description button. And once that's done, you can see now we have different agents that are going to work on this application. So we have requirements agent who's going to capture all the requirements. So you can actually see it's already started doing that. Then we have data agent, which is creating the data model. We have code agent who's going to write the code. And then solution agent, which is going to package everything together in a solution. So while it's doing that, you can actually monitor the progress right here. So you can see everything that's happening. So you can see there's a code agent. It's telling you exactly here. Code agent is writing the code. The data agent just created the uh, data model. So it takes few minutes to give you the first draft of your application. So we'll just wait for this to complete, and then I'll show you um, what it has created. You can also toggle here to see the code view. You can see what all the files that are being created. So it's creating a React code, and you can see all the files or TypeScript code here, and then you can see all the files that are being created here. You can also do a split screen if you want to see the app and the code in line. So you can use all these toggles to see exactly what it's doing in the backend. Um, if you want to look at the data model, you can click on data. It shows you the data model, and the plan would have all the requirements that it has created. So let's give it a few minutes for it to complete the app, and then we'll look at the app that it has created. So here you can see the app is ready. So this is the look and feel of my app. It's created this three pages. So I have home. This is the home page. Looks pretty neat. So it shows you all the recent registrations. It has option to start new registration, manage attendee list. So all of this is on the home page. I can click on register. This has the actual registration form, and then I have the attendee list here. So it's created this basic application with three tabs, and then I can start, um, making changes to this application, right? So I can now say, can we add a logo on the homepage of the event? So here I can now use this window to make any more changes that I want. So you can add more requirements, make changes by simply describing what you want in this chat window. And you can see immediately once I do that, the code agent is optimizing the code based on the new requirements or the new task you have assigned. So let's wait for this to be completed. So here you can see it added this logo. And now I can go here and simply save this. So let's save it first, and then we'll publish this and see how it looks. Okay, now that we have saved, you can see this is the final version of my app. This is the home page. I can click on the register tab to complete the form. And then we have the attendee list here. So we'll go ahead and publish this. When I click on publish, it will create all the dataverse table. It's telling you that all the data is going to be stored in dataverse. So that's fine. I'll click on publish. Okay, so now I have published my app, and I can share it with other users by clicking here. You can see we can just add the names. I don't think I have anybody here in the early. All right, there. So you can see I can share with all the users that I have in this environment, and give them access. I can just simply copy the link and open the app here. So this is the final look of my application. You can see it's created this beautiful React app with three tabs, so that we can start using this to collect RSVPs for the event. So this is the final version. And these are the three tabs that we have for this app. So this is how you can quickly create end-to-end applications using this new vibe coding experience in Power Platform. This is still in preview, so I will make a detailed video with a different use case just to show all the possibilities of what you can do using this feature in Power Platform. But just wanted to give a quick update on how you can get started with vibe coding in Power Platform. Thanks for watching.